Made him up for Donny. Almost made it out the door. Hatch, whatever you want to call it. That wind's a shitty direction. We likes no wind at all. But hey, you gotta deal with Mother Nature, right? Let's bait up Donny Boy's rod. Well, that sounded positively pornographic. Now Donny here, he will be using a eagle claw feather light 5-foot spinning rod. Line weight 2 to 6 pounds. Using number 2 eagle claw hooks. And Donny the dummy, he will actually be fishing. Just for those naysayers. Nay! It's like a horse. Everybody got a good Scooby-Doo laugh? What's Toby saying here? He says, I just talked to Banana Boat in Barbados, telling him Danny's catching the bluegill in Green Cove Springs. Fucking A! We'll see if dumb Donny can catch one, Toby. He's using your rod you sent me. Yeah, that wind is nasty. Come on, Donny. He's still flipping me off. No interest yet. Oh, I know. Let's give him the scientific fishing sound. I'm going to use my little mini fish bat. Guy down the dock gave this to me as he was headed out. Here we go. There it is, the secret noise. Throw out some bait and see if they're into it even. Yeah, they're tearing it apart. Well, we got something for you. I wish I had some soft taco shells. My kingdom for soft taco shell. Donnie's not very lucky either this morning. Here comes that wind. We gotta be able to catch at least one more. I couldn't see Donnie's bobber, but it's under the boat. Just up where you can't see it. Oh. Oh, they're smart. I sure like to eat it if you just throw it out there. Best on YouTube, yeah it is. The Back Porch Fishing Show. You know it, Toby. Too bad everybody else doesn't. Oh, bang. I suspect those are little catfish. Yeah, they don't have the gusto they had earlier this morning. Touched it. Fresh bait, fresh bait. Yeah, that might have been all we get this morning, early. They are still popping top of the water. They just don't seem to want line. We use the wind to our advantage. And we'll give them the scientific sound. Donnie's still got bait. We'll give him this one. Well, as soon as I hand it to them, they start plowing it out there. Whoa. Donny's hooked up. Get it, Donny. He's got one for real. Big shell cracker. Oh, it's a big one. Donny got it. Come here, Donny. What's that? Donny got one. He did such a good job, it's double hooked. Let's get a look at it. And the proud angler. Donny got one. Contact. No. Ah! It'd be hard to top that.